All right, let's do some crazy mixed up radicals. This comes from a CUDA handout that I put in your Google Drive folder. So I know what the square root of 9 is. That's 3. And I'm going to break down the square root of 8 to a square root of 4 and a square root of 2. Simplify the square root of 4. And let's see what's left. 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 radical 2 over 3. All right, sixth roots are a little bit trickier. So we're looking for some sixth powers. Now, I'm trying to think. I know that 2 to the 5th is 32. So 2 to the 6th must be 64. So I'm sure hoping that there's a 64 in here somewhere. The next sixth power, I guess I'd have to work my way up there. 3 to the 5th is 243. So if I don't know 3 to the 6th, I'm just going to multiply by one more power of 3. Oh, 729. Very nice. Okay, so the sixth root of 256 and the sixth root of 20. Let's see if we can break those down a little bit. Sixth root of 20, I guess sixth root of 5, sixth root of 4. All right, that might help. Sixth root of 256. Well, let's see if 4 goes into it. So does 4 go into 256? 4 times 6 is 24. 4 goes into 16 4 times. Oh, would you look at that? So I'm going to cancel the sixth root of 4's. Now, what's left? I have 2 sixth root of 5 over sixth root of 64. Well, we just discovered over here sixth root of 64 is 2, and then we can cancel the 2's. Very nice. Sixth root of 5 is our answer. Okay, now think of this as distributing a negative 1. If I distribute it to both items in the denominator, I'll actually have a little bit nicer fraction to work with. Okay, now I know that the rules of rationalizing say I should use the conjugate and multiply top and bottom. Okay, so some quick FOIL in the denominator will tell me whether or not I chose the right thing to multiply by. So 1 times 1 is 1. This should be negative. 4 times 4 is 16 times 5. So 16 times 5 is 80. 1 minus 80 is negative 79. Not the prettiest denominator, but it's definitely rational. Now, I also notice that I cannot reduce or cancel the 5 and the negative 79, so I'm just going to go ahead and distribute. So I'll get 5 minus 20 square roots of 5. Okay, last one. We're just going to rationalize here. Multiply top and bottom by radical 5. So here's a pair. 3 times 5, my denominator is 15. Upstairs, square root of 4 is 2. I'll have 2 times 2, which is 4, radical 5. Ba-ba-da-da, all done.